Is it possible to make money online through affiliate marketing? The short answer is that you can earn extra money and even a full-time income from home by participating in affiliate programs. As with any home-based business, success is determined not so much by what you do to make money as it is by doing what needs to be done correctly and consistently. There are no restrictions on how much you can earn once you make the initial decision. Assume you are a cab driver. You are never idle because you are continually active. Despite this, there is a limited amount of individuals you may transport to their destinations. You will never be able to break through the revenue ceiling that this sort of organization possesses. You can cram a colossal number of people into your metaphorical cab with affiliate marketing. And you plan the path. The company does not erect artificial barriers to your ascension to the top. You can advance as far as your expertise permits. What is an affiliate marketing average income? It is difficult to average the earnings of all affiliates. Starting to generate money in affiliate marketing is considerably more difficult than scaling your earnings. However, if you really commit to this line of work and get the hang of it, you may expect to earn between $1,000 and $10,000 every month. How quickly can you make money with affiliate marketing? There is a learning curve here, as there is everywhere else. If affiliate marketing is only a passion for you, this time will be longer. It might be a lot shorter if you devote your entire concentration to mastering it. If you are a quick learner with strong instincts and a touch of luck, you might see your first earnings very quickly. However, in most circumstances, the money you invested should start to return after a few months. Is it possible to get started in affiliate marketing for free? Affiliate marketing, like any other business, necessitates a financial investment before you can earn any. There is no set amount required to begin started as an affiliate, but you should have a budget for testing and scaling in general. If you start with lower paying offerings, such as push traffic, $1,000 should be plenty to get you started. If you play your cards right, you might be able to get some of it back. Then, after you've found something that works, you need to grow it as soon as possible. This is where your second budget comes into play. Then, once you find something that works, you need to scale it as soon as possible. If you are afraid that you will lose money because you are new to the industry, remember that the money spent on traffic is never lost. Even if it doesn't bring you any revenue back, it allows you to learn, test, and draw conclusions. You buy valuable data. What is the secret to affiliate marketing's success? Make a strategy. Use this strategy to manage your time and money. Devote some time to learning about the commercial and technical aspects of the sector, as well as to doing the real work. Do not mix them together. Learning time should never conflict with working time. Do not pause your campaigns to read a blog. Make time for both.